What's up everybody, Dan Cromar from Conversion Giant here with this week's Giant Roundup, where we get you caught up on this week in digital marketing news. There are reports this week that Google is working on deals with Instagram and TikTok to be allowed to index their video content on Google search result pages. This is similar to what Google did with Twitter back in 2015 when they reached an agreement to index individual tweets. So it's assumed that if they complete these new deals, that Instagram and TikTok videos would be able to appear in a similar way. Now, Google has neither confirmed nor denied these reports, and there's no information on what the terms of this deal would look like if it were completed, so we will have to wait and see if Instagram and TikTok posts will be making their way onto Google search results anytime soon. In SEO news, Google search volatility trackers picked up quite a bit of movement over the weekend, leading to some speculation that a large unconfirmed algorithm update has dropped. Now, we've discussed many times on this weekly roundup that Google has been updating their algorithm with increased frequency over the last couple years, so these updates are becoming much more commonplace. However, this one did appear to be much larger than most, so it might be worth it to check your rankings to make sure your site didn't take a hit. And in PPC news, Google has announced that they will soon be rolling out new Advertiser pages in an effort to provide more transparency about the advertisers and ads that appear on its platform. By clicking on an About This Ad button, users will be able to see the brand name of an advertiser and where they're located, why they are being shown that ad, and also see other ads from that same advertiser that have appeared in the last 30 days. And then, if they like, they can ask to not be shown any more ads from that advertiser. If this sounds familiar, it's because it's basically the same thing as the "Why am I seeing this ad" button on Facebook. This is all part of Google's effort to provide more transparency in their advertising and more control over their advertising experience for users. And that is it for this week's Giant Roundup. Be sure to give this video a like and share it with your friends to help them get caught up on this week in marketing news. And be sure to subscribe to Conversion Giant for more weekly roundups and for great digital marketing content. I'm Dan Cromar. See you next time.